very lightly you have to rub the accelerator. Every turn I feel like I should take this photo also. I should take this photo also. And she's like, you can't take every photo. Please go. भाई एक बार पूछो क्या था हमारा रास्ता? वो तो चले गए आगे. बाकी देखो उसको.
गुड मॉर्निंग अगेन फ्रॉम काजा. कल हमने काजा में जो फेमस प्लेसेस हैं यहाँ के किम, कॉमिक, लांगजा, इन तीनों को हमने कवर कर लिया था. आज दो प्लेसेस हमारे छूट गए थे, वो था की मोनेस्ट्री और चीचम ब्रिज. तो आज का हमारा प्लान है जाने का चंद्रताल, और इसी रास्ते में है ये दोनों चीज़. तो हम इन दोनों चीज़ों को आज कवर करने का ट्राई करेंगे. Key Monastery is the biggest center of Buddhist learning in Spiti Valley, and it is around thousands of years old. The best time to visit this place is between June to October. It's around 12:30 in the noon, और अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं की मोनास्ट्री पे. की मोनास्ट्री तकरीबन 13,500 फीट की ऊंचाई पे है. बगल में स्पीति रिवर बह रही है और बगल में ही की विलेज है. The history of this monastery is very fascinating. During 17th century, it was attacked by Mongols, and in again 1820, it was targeted in the war between Kullu and Ladakh. The story does not end here. In 1841, Dogra army under the leadership of Rahim and Ghulam Khan attacked this monastery, and in the same year, Sikh army also attacked it. The period of 1840s was not so good for this monastery, and this monastery caught fire. Again in 1975, earthquake destroyed this monastery. After all these destructions, it was reconstructed during those times, and now State Public Work Department and Archaeological Survey of India takes care of this place so that the monks can stay here and live a peaceful life. After staying here for around half an hour, we started our onwards journey to Chandratal Lake, and our next stop was CHICHAM Bridge. CHICHAM Bridge is highest suspension bridge in Asia with the height of around 13,200 feet from the sea level. It connects two villages named CHICHAM and Kibar in Spiti Valley. The making of this bridge cuts down the journey from Kibar to LOSAR by 40 kilometers or 1.5 hours. It took about 15 years of the efforts to construct this. Prior to the inauguration of this bridge in 2017, the villagers used a pulley-driven ropeway to travel between Kibar and CHICHAM villages. The weather started changing and we were in a hurry to reach Chandratal, but due to less visibility and heavy rain in the route, we had to stay in LOSAR, which was in fact not in our plan. LOSAR is another beautiful village in Spiti Valley, and it is also known as the coldest place in Spiti. The place is relatively unexplored with the various scenic spots, and each has its own uniqueness. Travelers, especially the trekkers and photographers, love to explore this cold desert, which is surrounded by many natural beauties. हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग. इट्स आवर लास्ट डे ऑफ एंटायर स्पीति ट्रिप. ये हमारा 7 दिन का ट्रिप था, एंड राइट नाउ आई एम इन लोसर. We started our journey early morning from LOSAR as we had to visit Chandratal. In this route, we came across the famous KUNZUM Mata Temple. KUNZUM Devi Temple on the deserted KUNZUM Pass is at elevation of 14,900 feet. It is devoted to goddess Durga, and every vehicle that goes through this pass needs to take a whole roundabout of this temple to make certain security for the rest of their trip. Another fascinating local belief about the sacred site is that there is a fate decider stone inside the cave. It is said that if you pray sincerely and put the coin to the stone, your desires will be granted and the coin stick to the stone, otherwise it won't. After this, we started our journey to Chandratal. In the route, we saw people coming back from Chandratal and told us that the route is closed due to heavy rain, so we decided to skip this and return to our base, which was Manali.
You have to read the actual. Yeah.
We were sad and happy too, as it called for another trip to Chandratal to explore this place completely.
Every turn I feel like I should take this photo also. I should take this photo also. And she's like, you can't take every photo, please go. भाई मत पूछो क्या था हमारा रास्ता, दो तो चले गए आगे, बाकी देखो उसको।